Greetings friends, today we are going to learn how we can add a reCAPTCHA or I am not a robot tick mark in our Django app and secure it from spams and bots. Google has made adding this reCAPTCHA very easy with the help of their JavaScript service, which we can very easily integrate into our web app. We will be using the version 2 for this, and to showcase this implementation, we have created this base app. When downloading this base app, make sure that you download the base and not the master branch of this app. Now simply extract this folder into a directory of your choosing. Now let's fire up the command prompt and enter the Visual Studio Code. We also have to run the server to see it's working. Once all the migrations are done, we will see how this app is working. The app is a simple two-form web app in which the first we have to fill a form to create comments. Now let's see how this thing works. The username, like most of the projects, is Apoorv and the password is password. Oh, it seems that we also need to create a super user for this. For this, we will simply use the command. Once that is done, we will try to log into this, but this process can be very easily automated using a bot, and this will result into the spamming of our results. This can be prevented if we just add a simple captcha below our form. For this, we will be following the blog. Now let's see what the next step is. We have to go to the Google services and create a captcha. I'll be using a sample project and I'm using a simple I'm not a robot tick box. In the domains, I'll simply put the local host since it's a demo project, but if you're making this in a production server, you can very well use the domain that you have. Accept the terms and conditions and then submit. Make sure that you don't use these keys exactly, as I would have deleted them by this video is uploaded. These two keys are useful. We will copy the site key and enter it in the forms.html file. Before that, we need to import another piece of code. For this, we will go to the Study Gyan blog and then copy this piece of code and then integrate it just above the submit button. We also have to make sure that the site key that we have will be changed with the site key that we have just generated. Once that is done, we will copy the secret key and secure it safely inside our settings.py file. Once that is done, let's see how our app looks now. When I refresh it, I can see that the reCAPTCHA button has been successfully integrated. Now let's just enter a value. Now let's test our app by simply entering a default value.
For this, I will simply enter any value and then use I am not a robot, and once that has been verified, I will post it. This simple procedure has secured my app from bots or spams, and thus any entry made into the app will be free of all the spams. That will be all for now. Thank you.